So let's take a look at what we're going to create today, this little fun little animated character drawing.
I'm feeling very dizzy.
So after you've actually created your little character here, I'm going to show you actually how to animate the eyes and the mouth. And it's really simple. We're just going to apply some really simple animations to it. First thing we're going to do is try and grab the mouth or the eye here. We'll grab the lasso tool and we'll focus on the eye, and we're just going to grab elements of that, and just it's a simpler case as separating. So separating that part of the drawing and applying the effect. So in this case, we might do a little kind of create path where it goes around a little bit, but you can apply a little pop or a pulse or something like that. Because I've drawn this in Keynote, it allows me to separate the drawing elements. You can't do that with obviously a normal image. We'll put a little effect there, and we can make it go for how long we want it to, which is cool with the new edit tools. And it's a simple case of doing that for both eyes and also doing the mouth as well. And then finally, what we'll do is we'll put a little audio recording there, and we'll have that playing on the tap with that build. So here I'm just doing the mouth. For this one, I think I do a little jiggle. And we want that obviously playing at the same time. So make sure that you edit it and say at the same time so that it actually does it together. And then obviously we can add a little audio recording there just to bring it all to life with some audio. Hope you found that tutorial helpful.
Feeling very dizzy.
Yes.